Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome here if you are new. Today I'm just going to do a super quick cute little incense burner holder. It's pretty small, fits in the palm of my hand as you can see. There's this sort of ribbed effect to it. Just going to be a super quick one. I thought it would be fun to do two completely different mica powder colours, just to see what sort of effect we get. So, now whichever mica powder touches down first is going to be the colour that comes out at the end. That was messy. So, how am I going to put these in? Maybe we just try and do half and half. Or maybe I just tap. Yeah, we're going to do this method. We'll dump some mica powder in and brush it around. Well, this is going to mix together obviously, but if I try to be quick, see? Can you see that on camera? Yeah, you can. That's a cool effect. I like this. Brush some up around the sides as well. Okay. I am going to go and knock all this loose powder out in the bin. I will be right back. Okay, so there we have our mica powder effect. Does not look very bright at the moment. You can still see it on camera though, that's cool. The lid's not on that one properly. There we go. So next I'm going to mix up a bit of resin. I'm using the Decor Rom resin, which comes in handy pump bottles, which are sat under my tripod. Do one more pump of each, part A and part B. Okay, sorry I moved the camera then, didn't mean to do that. And there, I'm just going to give this a mix together. Okay, I think that'll do. I know a lot of people say, the instructions probably say it as well, you should mix for 2 to 3 minutes. But I never have, and it's always worked out for me, so I'm just going to keep doing my thing. Let me grab a cocktail stick. So I'm going to be using this DIY Craft Resin pigment paste. I bought this off of, I don't know, Temu or Wish or one of those sites, so I can't link it for you, but this one works very well for me. And being a pigment paste, you do not need a lot at all. I actually dripped some in the mould, which I'm not sure if that's bad or not. Okay, it's those two. Okay, mix that into the resin. So we've got a really dark black, which is lovely. And then we're just going to go ahead and pour straight in. Okay, I've got a little tiny bit left at the bottom of the cup, which is fine. Our mould is nice and full. We're going to give it a quick torch, get rid of air bubbles. Okay. And I'll see you when this is set and we'll demeld it together. Have a great day. Everything is set. We have a slight, oh, you can see my tripod. We have a slight shimmer here. Don't mind that. So I'm just going to go in, start loosening up the mould. Off, that came off really easily. What's going on here? That is, don't know. A little bit worried about how much this black's moving. Okay, well we'll turn it over and find out. This has been left for over a week, so it's definitely set, or as set as it's going to be. So let's just flip her over. There we go. This weird spot here, what's going on? Is this wet? This is wet. What is going on? Okay. Maybe that's like a, just guessing here, but maybe that's a chunk of the black pigment that wasn't mixed properly. That's a lesson for me. I love this effect. The rest of it, can you see? This sort of antiquing effect you get with the bronze on the blue. That's such a shame that that happened. Ah well. Put that behind the incense stick. It's very strange. Never had that happen before. But I think that must be what it was. Either I used too much of the black pigment paste, or I just didn't mix it thoroughly enough and this was a spot of the pure pigment paste. Because it's no more's coming off, it's completely set. And then we've got this in here, which is, yeah, it's pigment paste. Okay, well, lesson for me, stop being so impatient and make sure that everything is mixed before you use it. But look at that. This is cool. I'm definitely going to try this effect again on different things. I really do like it. It's quite subtle, but like classy, subtle, elegant maybe. Let me know what you think, guys. Yeah, do you think this was the pigment paste? I think it was. Right, yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Have a fantastic day. See you in the next one.